here in the beginning of the app, as you can see, we are right here in the DVR pre-trip and post-trip inspection app built for trucks, right? And truck drivers. We go down to the bottom, you can see that we also have drop and hook, DOT ready reports. You can photo anything and everything. When it's tax time, you can turn your receipts in to your accountant, dispatcher. You can turn your receipts in every single day and never miss a beat. We also have here what is called the PM and oil change service reminders, because a lot of us forget that we have to do PMs and oil changes. Quite do necessarily depends on how many miles you drive your truck. Some people do them every 30,000, some people do them every 15, but you can actually set your reminder also in the app as we go down through this. On a monthly basis, the solo driver with one truck for owner operated is $12 per month. If you got a fleet, it would happen to be $8, and then you add on a truck, and you constantly keep adding on as many trucks as you want to. So as we talked about going in here, starting a free 14-day trial, you can just click on, and you can get ready to go in there without no credit card. As you see, most companies, they have a credit card listed. We do not have a credit card listed anywhere. So you'll click in. This is one of my things that I use, but let's just go ahead for example. Let me see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a password in. Some of my information will pop up as you notice, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that so I can get logged in. Show you guys how this app works. See, I am already a registered user. Just sign in. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. And as you can see right here, in the beginning, you have what is called the start the pre-trip. Trailer hookup, loads bill of lading. You can add a truck, take a truck away. So if you added a truck, which I have to manage my subscription, I only got one truck. So then I would have to go back out to the billing part of it. But anyway, that was just an example. So let's go here, and I already have a truck in here, which is a 313. So we're gonna start off today with truck 313, new trailer. We're gonna add a trailer, and we're gonna call it 313, 336, right? It's a drive-in. You can pick out anything that you have right here. Drive-in, reefer, flatbed, step deck, gooseneck. You name it, you have it right here. So I'm gonna do drive-in today. Add and select, right? So this is the odometer in my truck. So now I'm gonna start my checklist. I check the engine oil, check the coolant level, check the power steering. Up. Guess what? I got a leak. What's wrong? Now you can put in here where is the leak. Oil leak. Right? Now we put the oil leak in, and we want to take a picture. This right here on your phone will open up the camera. On my computer, it opens up the computer and it lets you see screenshots on the computer. So you can actually take a screenshot right here and actually send that off. But we're gonna go back out of here and click on OK. We come down to the next one, air pressure, and as you see right here, it'll tell you what to do, what to put in. Is it a minor fix? Is it a major fix? Will it put you out of service? So just for whatever, you're gonna write in blown tire, take a picture, send that off to dispatch. We'll take that back up out of here. We have to be out. So it's a minor. You're gonna click that back over. And it does it for each one of them. You got to take a picture. Whatever it is, you have to take a picture, or you have to document it so you can, send it in. Same as tread depth and wear, tire inflation, lug nuts, go on, so forth. Headlights, how the headlights looking, brake lights, clearance markers, four-way flashes, reflectors. So we're going down through there getting everything done. How's that fifth wheel, kingpin, airlines, landing gear, boom. And we keep going. This is to make sure you guys are doing your pre-trip, as we should be doing. Go back down through there. If you got a problem, you can report it straight to your owner of the truck, straight to yourself, flag it, you name it. We have it built into the app itself. You name it, it's built totally into the app. And you go next, and what we're gonna do there is, no defects right now. You can take additional pictures. You click on that, and it'll open up in your phone. Okay, just click that on. Take the photos. You can take any notes, and at the end of the day, you go ahead and you're gonna sign your name, right? And you certify this report is correct. Submit and certify. All right. Now, if we want to download this as a PDF and send over to a DOT officer, we can actually share this whole file. So you can actually go in here and share it to whoever you need to share it with no problems. So open it up, and it's getting the app in the App Store, getting my contacts. But I don't want none. You can download it. Go right there, click on it. You can download the entire thing, right? So right now in the computer, it's trying to download. We don't normally do this, but it's trying to download right now in the system. And as you see what happened, it's already showing me right now. And all I gotta do is mash printout, and it goes straight to my printer. Okay. All right, now that we've got that out the way, defects. Do we have any defects? So there were no defects, but you want to report a defect now? You can report a defect. Which tire? Is it wheels? What's broke? You name it. What's broke on the truck? What position is it in? And we go down through there. On truck 313, on trailer 631, it's the outer, it could be the inner, you name it. All right? Is it a major fix before next haul? Out of service, can't drive, you name it. Go back in there, take a picture, and save it. Now, if you want to find a shop near you, you can go in there, and it will actually find repair shops near you. All right? Now, look, I clicked it on. We're in Apopka, Florida right now, and it picked up all the places around me. Come out, go back right back to the DVR, but it actually found you repair shops near you and gave you phone numbers. PM service. Let's go to a reminder. Do we have any shops saved? You can add your favorite shop in there, where you would like to go to. It's okay. It doesn't matter. You can add all kinds of reminders. Add your first reminder. Oil change. When do you want an oil change? And when? Every how many miles? 25,000. It was last done at this time. Last done on this date. A preferred shop. You can add your shop. And when was the last time? It will remind you when your oil change is due or your PM service. We'll skip over here and go down to receipts. So let's say you got a oil change and you got a receipt for it, right? Now you're gonna add the receipt. Go up here, add the receipt. Snap a photo of the receipt right here. Was it done at a TA? Who's the vendor? How much did it cost? Save the receipt. At the end of the day, you can save the receipt right here. And then you can actually send the receipt off by going up here and hitting this export CSV file. As we just jumped over here, now it's gonna open up this CSV file. If I had any receipts in there, I don't have any receipts in there, so I'm just kind of basically going through this with you guys. I'm hoping that all you guys out there don't have any problems with the app whatsoever. Okay? You should not have any problems with this app. If you do have any problems, give me a call or email me. I am George. Yes, I am the true truck driver. I thank you guys for watching the video and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.